Welcome everybody, and welcome to another episode of Eat Healthy, Don't Die.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to another mukbang.
Yep. Welcome back.
He's trying to be funny and he's not.
Anyway, some people think that I am funny.
Okay, what do we have today, honey?
What do we have today?
I just woke up. I fall asleep after cooking.
Good morning.
Because I'm tired.
We have here pork meat with the bamboo shoots and with
smoked pork, honey.
Smoked pork, yes.
With
the bamboo shoots, fermented bamboo shoots, and potato.
A lovely potatoes. We love potatoes.
A lovely sauce.
Sauce.
Here we have a green salad, mixed green salad with the cucumber, with the
Bella is moving the light. Okay, green salad.
With the tomato and stuff.
Hurry up, we have lots of shout out today.
Yes. Oh yeah.
3 pages of shout out,
we'll
guys.
Talk about it.
What is this?
This is
Kobe
yeah.
champut.
Kobe champut. Yeah.
And those
and the bitter
ones.
Yes, and here TANGKHUL or THAROI.
HAWAIJAR.
Fermented soybeans.
HAWAIJAR. AXONE.
All that together, yeah?
Da.
THAROI
is TANGKHUL. HAWAIJAR is MANIPURI, Muay and AXONE is Nagamis.
Okay.
And everybody asks why you don't drink anything. We normally don't drink anything. It's not healthy, but if we remember, today we have lemon water. If we remember, we'll drink it.
Cheers, yeah.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Okay, so let's start, eh?
Use spoon.
I will use spoon. I was just watching what's going on.
And over here I use, for the people who skipped the cooking part, especially the kids, we have here hooger chives, roots that I brought from home. Namrei angyung.
Yummy.
This hooger chives roots, it's your first time to eat that, honey.
Yeah? Let me then.
In our village we don't use, like when I grew up, my grandmother never used garlic. She always used this.
Ah, nice.
Hooger chives roots.
Here, baby. Take some. Put that.
Tesu.
Good.
Start eating, honey.
I will. And
I don't have spoon for this.
No,
just use your hand.
I'll use my imagination. Take one.
Life would be so boring without potato.
Oh, okay.
That's how much I love potatoes.
I love to fill my plate. Don't judge me. It's not that the plate is small, it's that I like to fill it. Okay. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, honey. We have like pages of shout out, guys. Lots and lots of shout outs. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I always forget you're from Nagaland.
I'm not from Nagaland, honey. I'm from Manipur.
From Manipur. When I bite something, it's spicy.
That's why I have the boil and the salad for you, baby.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct.
What is spicy?
Something that the meat and the bamboo shoots.
Ah, because the chili powder that I use is from home. Huh? Cayenne pepper powder, the real one.
Ooh, delicious, baby.
Delicioso. Howdy.
Howdy. Okay, guys. Now while we're eating, just to tell you a little bit about Serbia, the country where we are in now, and my homeland, yeah?
Your
So,
motherland.
Father, motherland, grandpa land, and everybody else land. So, most of you remember Yugoslavia. That was the country with the 6 states.
That's how we know in our place, Yugoslavia.
But everything changed in 1990s. So now we have 6 countries amongst Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Macedonia, Slovenia. There is Serbia also. Yeah. So we are there. We are not in Siberia somewhere.
Siberia is in Russia.
Yes, it's not cold here. It's a continental climate. So it has winter, it has summer. But we are, let's just, in order to explain you easily, if you are looking on the map, in between Italy and Greece and Hungary, Bulgaria and Romania. So there, you know, bordering those countries. So not really those countries, but there. So I know a lot of you are like, don't really know where it is, but I just want to let you know. Also, fun fact, we are all quite tall here in Serbia. And
Very, very tall.
very tall, and we are among the tallest nations in the world. So it is normal when you see a guy like me.
Average.
Average, yeah.
6'1", 6.1, 2, 3, 4 is like very average here. Even my father-in-law will be 6.3 or 2.
I don't know.
He's a little shorter than you.
Yeah.
He's around 6.2 or 3. Maybe he was taller when he was younger, but now he's old, so he's slouching a little bit.
Yeah. This is
Not a
delicious.
very rich country like the other European countries, comparing with like Germany or.
And we are still not in the European Union, and so that's why everything towards us is a little bit complicated, like mails and stuff like that. It just takes time.
But it's not a starving country.
No. This country is full of food. If they're full of food.
If you watch our vlog, you know how much we get from the farm without using any kind of fertilizer, just a compost.
Yeah.
Someone said you are in the starving world, so sad.
No. On the contrary, the biggest fertile plain in Europe is
Very,
here.
very fertile. Nature itself spends a lot here.
Yeah. And we are quite old nation. We are coming from 7th century. The first time that was used as a nation.
Fun fact about Serbia.
Tell me, baby.
The women are very, very beautiful. I wouldn't say girls, women in general. They're very beautiful. Men, only my husband.
So.
Women are very beautiful here. They're always like well kept together, dressed up really nice, and they really take care of their body. They wear knee-high boots. They love to wear. The kids love to wear Skechers, sneakers, sport shoes, leather jackets, tights. Unlike me, they don't wear sweatpants, which I do all the time.
Yes, but at the end, just to explain that we are not in Russia. We're not even close to Russia. There's like a
Not even close.
1,000 kilometers or more to Russia. So
there's Baltic countries. You call it Baltic countries or just Baltic? Like
where?
this is Balkans. Those Lithuania, Latvia.
Baltic.
They're more close to Russia.
Yes, much closer. Actually, bordering.
They speak Russian also, I think. Those people.
Okay.
Давай, давай.
So.
Let's drink watermelon. Chew, baby. See, just swallowing. Amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. My stomach is not very good today.
So also about Serbia, that it is not very dangerous country.
Oh.
So
no.
You are welcome to come and visit, see what's going on here. People like to party here. They like to have fun. They like to drink and eat. They like to listen to the music, type of musics. So, if you ever passing by, you can freely come here. It's very welcoming.
Very, very. I'm telling you guys, I told it, I say this a couple of times in my video, but I don't have to worry about anything when I'm walking around the streets. Like, for example, 9-10 o'clock in the night, me and Bill go for a walk without any kind of like fear, like, oh, this should not be too safe or anything like that. I don't have anything like that in my mind, honey. Really.
It's much
I
better.
feel very, very safe here. Everything. We are in the suburb and Serbia is not very crowded. But like guys teasing, like whistling, this kind of thing. Never. Ever. So
Only where there are students or where there are schoolers, you will find that sometimes. Well, this is delicious, baby. I almost don't want to talk.
I know.
Wow. But
everybody is confused with Serbia, so I just want you to tell them.
definitely.
There's something that I don't like about Serbia. I love everything about Serbia, but there's something.
What do you don't like, baby?
Like, every store has a different price for every product.
Yeah.
That really gets me, you know? Like, because where I come from in India, we have maximum retail price for everything, right? On the product itself.
Yeah.
Over here, different store, different price.
It would be much easier for us if the prices are the same.
Yeah, it should be the same, you know?
But well,
for example, we drink lots of milk here, carton of milk. In supermarkets, it will be like, they will say AXIA, that means discount. Discount for 80 bucks, 80 dinara. And then in the smaller store, they will sell it for 114 dinara. And other store will sell it for 110 dinara. Those things really get me. Like, even in the Zeleni Biata, green market, some people will sell cabbage for a kilo for 60. Some will sell it for 30. Some people will sell it for 40. So you have to go around like who is selling the lowest.
No.
Oh, those things like, oh, I really don't like that. Really don't like that.
Yeah.
In Mumbai, if they do that, then we'll be like,
Wow,
why are you selling it this way? That guy is selling it for 30 rupees and you're selling it for 50? And then we will not buy it for you, you know? Anyway. Some more rice, baby?
A little bit. We'll be right back. A little bit, not too much.
And I want some water.
Huh?
Do you want some water?
I'll give you some.
Yeah. Because of his leg, he can't sit for a long time.
Thank you, baby.
Love mason jar.
Wait, Bella. Maybe you want a potato?
No, I'm good, honey.
Potato?
I'm not. My stomach is not well today. Sorry, guys.
Mine is good, don't worry.
Mine is not good.
Mine is good. Yes. Come to daddy.
Opa. Love cabbage.
Cabbage.
It's amazing. That's what my dad would say. Ooh.
Truly amazing. If you eat this in a cold winter day, you will feel so good going out after that.
Really? The spiciness, hotness.
And the heaviness of the meat. Ooh.
Bitterness of it.
What?
Bitterness of it. Cái này ăn thế. Terrific fun. Why are we so quiet?
Exactly.
Oh, we need to hurry up.
Hi guys.
Because we don't want the video to be too long.
Yes.
We have like 3.5 pages. Oh, jeez. Oh, shout out.
So guys, today we are doing a lot of shout outs, so please
Stand by.
stand back. And if you don't do the shout out immediately, don't worry. We write it down, so we will do it the shout outs in some of the videos.
Yeah. But I'm sure we covered everything this time.
I think so. But in case we miss somebody, because there is a lot of comments, and thank you for the comments. I've been enjoying answering them.
He's answering most of the comments these days because he can't move.
So I find my usefulness. Anyway, there's a lot of comments, and there might be a chance that we miss something for somebody. So please know that we will find you and we will shout out.
Dobar.
Dobar. Ko Bruce Wayne sobar.
So, Comparing with Mumbai, everything is way expensive here. Like, more expensive.
So yeah, that's why. But everything else is cheaper in Mumbai. Literally everything else except the rent.
Except the rent. Because of the rent, Mumbai is
A little bit.
way expensive.
Maybe a little bit. I'm not sure how way, but it's expensive a little bit.
Yeah. Can you start shouting out? We don't have time.
Right, guys. I'm gonna do the shout out. Shout out.
Today, we are not gonna write it down. We're just gonna read out the names because it's too much.
Yeah. So please listen.
Please listen, guys. Listen.
You ready? Okay. So first shout out. H. Ria. Okay?
H. Ria.
H. Ria.
We shouted your name before, I think.
So the next one is Christina. Moirangthem.
Ngày bro đi Shopee.
Yes. Then Helia Chanu.
Helia Chanu.
Yes. Then Mr. Kizanbung.
We don't know if that's Mr. or Miss, honey.
Yeah, sorry. Apologize. Kizanbung. Then Hannah M.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah. Lulu Pamei.
And
John
Konjon
Sonowa from Assam. No.
How are you guys?
No, yeah, sorry, how are you guys? Not from Assam.
Yeah.
Then the next person is Mamoni Brahma from Assam.
From Assam.
Yes. Next one is Akum Tiba.
That's where all the tea comes from, okay? Assam.
Assam.
Assam tea.
Then Alung Nichang.
Yeah. That's their username, so I don't.
We're reading the usernames, yeah?
It's a real name. Yeah.
Then Silisha Sangma from Shillong.
Shillong,
Mandy Q.
Mandy Q.
Our Canadian friends Millie Matjevich.
Near Canadian. Near Australia, mate.
Australia, mate. Hey.
Kakosi.
Millie.
Thank you, Millie. You should come visit Serbia sometime.
Or come back if you're from around here.
No, she lives in Australia, Gold Coast.
To visit.
Gold Coast, Australia.
Yeah.
Beautiful country. We love Australia.
Then Mercy Lantur from Nagaland.
Can you guys say mercy?
Katsei Meta. Liz Laksha, 85. Liz Laksh, 85. Liz Laksh, 85. You see what's going on?
Hurry up, honey, we have a lot.
Salawa, is this Salawa or N? Salanda S. Marak. From Meghalaya, yeah. Junadada from Arunachal. Yargendenla Jamir.
So, belated happy birthday, dear. 10th of July was her birthday, but we didn't do any mukbang, so belated happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Next one is Nasim Ansari.
Yeah, very old subscriber. I remember you, Nasim.
The next one is Epi Benny R. Humtsoi.
She's also very old subscribers. What's up, girl?
What's up? Next one is Leah from Nagaland.
Leah. Chongboy.
What's
up, bro? From Hyderabad.
How are you, brother? I'm from Chalamba. From Teva village.
That's
TANGKHUL village, yeah?
TANGKHUL.
Wait, you wait. Then next one is shout out for Vino Sumi from Avino Avomi. So shout out to Vino Sumi. Then next one is Amainai Zimikwa. Hey.
Yeah?
The next one is Mona Lisa Borpatro.
That's a very
strange.
Yeah, but that sounds like a Filipino name.
Quite possible. But shout out for you. Next one is Kipken
Gipchen.
Kipchen. Kaikokam.
Kaikokam.
From Cookie, yeah?
Cookie tribe.
Cookie tribe.
Thank you, Kipchen.
Then next one is Naro Jamir.
Naro Jamir, remember him, honey?
Naro Jamir.
Maybe a girl, I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
He's always there, like he's been there for a long time.
Next one is
Try.
Kekrusenua Suohu.
Suohu.
Okay, yes. Kekrusenua Suohu.
She also for a long time.
The next one is Kurusampa from Arunachal.
From Apatani tribe.
From Apatani tribe.
You see, in one state they have another tribe too. I thought it's only Manipur that has different tribe. Oh, you're not going to, yeah.
Well, no.
We're very, very diverse.
Next one is Jessie297. Jessie, I hope.
Yeah.
Then next one is Chihan Horam.
Chihan Horam.
Chihan Horam.
Ring Pali, Ocha Horam.
Hey.
Say Ocha Horam.
Ocha Horam. And the last one is these ladies have birthday on Monday. So we are wishing it in front of
She is very special.
Yeah.
Akam Gaimun.
So Akam Gaimun and Agui Kamei.
Agui Kame.
Agui Kamei, yeah. They have birthdays on Monday, so
Happy birthday, girls.
happy birthday, girls.
We won't be shouting, we won't be doing any mukbang on Monday, so.
Yes.
And hope you're doing well. She have some nerve problem like me.
Oh. Well,
yeah.
we'll get it better.
I'm going through a not therapy. Like, the pain is there all the time. I've done my therapy for a month, but now sometimes if it's like unable to sleep or sit, then he stretch me. We just do the routine steps.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Take care.
Yes, please. And we use this
Yeah.
electrostimulating machine, so sometimes it helps.
It does help. Make me sleep.
Yeah, definitely. Numbs the pain. Anyway, guys, that would be everything. I hope we shout out all 25 pages of you. You know who you are. And
Thanks so much for watching, everybody.
thanks so much for watching. And please be sure to subscribe if you like our content. And give us a thumbs up if you like our content.
Please.
And please comment down below if you have anything. And please relax with the shoutouts a little bit, okay?
Stop it!
No, it's okay. So, yeah, that will be it, yeah?
Yes. That's it for
That's
today.
It, guys. Have a wonderful rest of the day, whatever you're doing, yeah?
And Instagram, Facebook,
all
vlog.
All of that things.
Please.
Please follow, please check it out. Something
and
interesting.
subscribe to the vlog also to keep us alive.
Yes. And be good. Live long and prosper, hey?
Stay healthy. Eat healthy. Stay beautiful. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Fingers crossed, maybe biryani.
Bella says bye too.
Yeah, that's her bye.
For all the Bella fans. Bye, guys.
Bye.